Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to apply for a home equity line of credit on Twoguysfinance. Alright, it's going to be a really quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to need to do is to go to Twoguysfinance website, and once you're there, you're going to click on home equity line of credit. Next, you're going to review the different home equity line of credit options that are available on Twoguysfinance, and just choose the one that best suits your specific needs. Now, once you find that, just click apply now, and you will be required to fill out the online application form. Now, once you have that form filled out, you're going to need to provide required documentation such as proof of income, as well as identification documents. Now, once you provided all of that, just review and agree to the home equity line of credit terms and conditions. So be sure to read through that so you know exactly what you're getting into. Now, once you've read through that and reviewed that and agreed, you're going to receive a home equity line of credit's decision, and if it's approved, you're going to be required to review and sign the loan documents. Now, once that's done, just close on your home equity line of credit and you'll receive the funds. And from there on out, you can use the Twoguysfinance online banking platform or the mobile app to manage your home equity line of credit payments in the future. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to apply for a home equity line of credit on Twoguysfinance. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys